You can tell an awful lot about a market by looking at the winners and losers of a quarter that was just put to bed. Right now, the news of the day is all about that government shutdown and its implications. But to me, the shutdown may not be all that meaningful to the stocks you own. So I want to use tonight to give you a snapshot of the market. And while past performances may not repeat themselves, I can tell you that the winners of the third quarter are often bought in the fourth quarter by money managers who want to show their clients that they own the right stocks. Hey, look, I know when I was a money manager, I did precisely this. So I am sure others are doing it now, too, because they tend to be the right stocks. Today was a bit of a counter-trend day. The drug stocks managed to get a lift as the president forced them to lower prices on some drugs, but not to the point where the earnings will be hurt. So you have a rare rally in pharma that helped lead the averages. Dow gaining 43 points, S&P advancing 0.34%, NASDAQ climbing 0.42%. The drug stocks may have more room to run. We're going to discuss that group later in the show. Last quarter's winners, though, were anything but healthcare. The best performing S&P 500 stock from the third quarter is one that seems unstoppable. And that stock is AppLovin. This stock's a quandary because it's far from a household name. AppLovin's a mobile technology company that helps app developers make money by selling advertising space within their apps. The stock rallied 105% in the third quarter alone. It's been an extraordinary performer that remains relatively unknown because it's not consumer-facing. We just don't see it. I would not bet against this AppLovin stock, even if it's been the target of short sellers who have been run over by the buyers. Buy. And I think it's going to stay that way. The second best performer is Western Digital, up almost 88% for the quarter. It's in data storage, along with Seagate Tech in fourth place, up nearly 64%. Now, we know this market craves data center plays like the more familiar Micron, up big, now well above where reported. But few companies are pure plays on storage than Western Digital and Seagate. These companies have been around the block. You know, a quarter century ago, I ran a hedge fund, and I always thought Western Digital was a terrific undervalued company that would one day get credit for its excellent technology. I actually took a 5% position in the business, but it never really did much. It's good to see the market giving the stock its due, even if it's 30 years too late for me.
Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Cramer on X. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadMentions. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.